Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I will show you how to replace the door lock on a Frigidaire washing machine. It's easy and simple. In order to replace this door lock, which is this one, see it goes in this position. Here's the part number. You need to take this gasket off. There's a spring at the bottom. You have to use a plier to pull the spring out. Comes out, and then open your gasket like that. You can use Phillips or Robertson. With Robertson it's more easier, but you can always use Phillips. There, the lock is out. See? Disconnect these wires. Make sure the unit is unplugged before you work on this. And here's the new one. See the connectors there? Good. And now you can bring your gasket. You see the lip of the gasket? You have to bring it right here on top. When you put your gasket back in, make sure this little small arrow goes straight to that. If it's just a little bit off, it's okay. It's not a big deal. If you use two hands, it's more easier because you can work on it and hold one side. Double check it like this to make sure it sits okay, and then after that you can add your spring back in. The spring, this bottom spring position stays right here. Put half of the spring. I think I may want to use two hands here because it's going to be a little bit complicated here unless I get lucky. That. And then in this area you may want to come down all the way, hold it from this spring side, and then stretch it. When you stretch it, see, you're kind of lining up this side of the spring too. You will see it. Go. That's good now. If you're using two hands, you can always use a needle nose plier to hold the spring, and other hand you can line up the spring around it. That way you're good. Close your door. For the first time when you close the door, it may not close properly. See, it kind of stays open. What you can do is you have to force it hard and push it hard closed. Let me see. And once your door is closed, you can turn on your washer. It will take a couple of seconds to a minute and then it's gonna shut off. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it with others. You can also follow me on Facebook. It's called Hamid Appliances Repair. Thank you.